Hello friends, welcome to CSAT Mantra, CSAT made easy and affordable. Welcome to our daily dose of solved questions. For more solved questions and concepts, kindly join our Telegram channel. To enroll in our course, kindly visit csatmantra.com. Both the links are given below in the description. If x is greater than or equal to 25 and y is less than or equal to 40, then which one of the following is always correct? This question is asked in 2019 from algebra chapter based on inequalities concept. We have learnt about inequalities properties in this lecture, my friends. Kindly go through them. Every year you will see at least 2 questions based on inequalities. In algebra chapter, this concept is very important. Though this question is very easy, there is something to learn from this question, my friends. See, x is greater than or equal to 25. X is greater than or equal to 25. Y is less than or equal to 40. Y is less than or equal to 40. You cannot solve this problem by trial and error method, that is taking x value greater than or equal to 25 and y value less than or equal to 40, because you have to try each and every value of x and y and see which option is getting satisfied. This will complicate the problem, thus wasting your time. Rather, you got 2 inequalities here. You can just simplify them and say whether y minus x is less than or equal to 15, or x plus y is greater than or equal to 65, or y minus x is greater than 15, or x is greater than y. Just by solving these two rather than going for trial and error method. Clear, right? Now see, here we have greater than or equal to. Here we have less than or equal to. So when we solve these two inequalities, in our answer we will be having either less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. Equal to will be there, my friends, because equal to will not get eliminated when you solve these two inequalities. That means you can eliminate option A, option B, because option A has greater than only, option B has greater than only. It should have equal to also, my friends. Okay, so this is one way of looking at this problem. Now we have learnt in inequalities lecture, you can only add 2 inequalities, my friends. 2 inequalities. Okay, you can only add them. You cannot subtract them, you cannot multiply them, you cannot divide them. You can only add them, my friends. Clear, right? Now to add 2 inequalities, these signs should be same, my friends. Okay, we have less than or equal to here, we have greater than or equal to here. So to add these 2 inequalities, I am rewriting the first inequality as 25 less than or equal to x, my friends. Okay, see, 25 less than or equal to x. Clear, right? Now see, this inequality and this inequality, they have similar signs, my friends. Okay, same signs. Now y plus 25 less than or equal to 40 plus x. I have added 2 inequalities. Okay, you can only add the 2 inequalities, my friends. Clear, right? Now bringing x this side, y minus x less than or equal to 25 this side. Okay, 40 minus 25. Now this implies y minus x less than or equal to 15. So y minus x is less than or equal to 15, my friends. Okay, so our answer is C. We got the answer to this problem by adding 2 inequalities, my friends. Let's solve this problem in another way. I am multiplying this inequality with minus 1 on both sides. Okay, so minus x less than or equal to minus 25. When you multiply with minus, the sign will reverse, my friends. Okay, greater than or equal to will become less than or equal to. So minus x less than or equal to minus 25. Now add them. Y minus x less than or equal to 40 minus 25. Y minus x less than or equal to 15. So the learning from this problem is, on a single inequality, if you multiply with minus on both sides, then inequality sign will change, my friends. And another thing is, you can only add the 2 inequalities, my friends. Okay, you cannot multiply them, you cannot subtract them, you cannot divide them. You can only add them. And when you add them, the inequality sign should be same. See, these 2 inequalities, they have the same inequality sign. We have added them. Now why the sign will change when we multiply with minus on both sides? See, we know 2 less than 3, right? Now multiplying with minus 1 on both sides. So minus 2 minus 3. Now tell me which one is greater? minus 2 is greater, my friends. Okay, so when you multiply with minus on both sides, the sign will change, inequality sign will change. Okay, greater than will become less than will become greater than. Clear, right? Now kindly learn one more property of inequality. Say you have a less than b, you can add the same number on both sides or you can subtract same number on both sides. Inequality sign will not change, my friends. Clear, right? So these are the properties of inequalities, my friends. There are few more. We have taught them in our inequalities lecture. Kindly go through them. For a single inequality, you can add the same number on both sides or subtract the same number on both sides. Sign will not change, my friends. Clear, right? For two inequalities, you can only add them. For a single inequality, if you multiply with minus, sign will change, my friends. Okay, greater than will become less than will become greater than. Clear, right? And if you multiply the single inequality with positive number on both sides, say Ka, Kb, then inequality sign will not change, my friends. Okay, you are multiplying with positive number on both sides, so inequality sign will not change.